My dear Allah, thank you for opening my eyes this morning and allowing me to see a new day. Thank you for the quiet strength you place in my heart and the hope you renew with every sunrise. Ya Allah, as I move through this day, keep my heart calm and my intention pure. Guide my words, bless my actions, and help me walk the path that pleases you. If I feel tired, refresh me. If I feel worried, comfort me. If I feel unsure, guide me. Protect me from harm, from negative thoughts, and from losing faith. Ya Allah, fill this day with light, peace, and a small moment of joy. I place today in your hand and trust you completely. Thank you for your mercy and love. If you start your day with faith, write Amin.